Hello everyone, welcome back to the How To series. I am Shivam Yadav, a digital marketing expert, and in this very first video, I'm going to show you how to quickly customize HubSpot meeting reminders. This is one of my favorite communication and sales hacks, and once you start using it, you will definitely notice a difference in how prepared and responsive your clients are. So now what I personally love about this feature is it lets you remind the client not just that they have a meeting, but also what the meeting is about. That little extra context helps reduce cancellations and gives your client a clearer picture of what to expect. And the best part is you can do all this right inside HubSpot through the meeting link setting. So let's open HubSpot and go to the meeting tab under sales. So I'm on meeting scheduler page. I'm selecting one of my existing meeting link and this is the one. I'll click on edit and from there I will head over to automation tab, and this is where you will find two email options: the confirmation email which goes out immediately after booking and the pre-meeting reminder. And that's what we are going to customize today. So inside the pre-meeting reminder, you can type a message. You can type a message that gives your client a quick heads up. You need to keep it simple and clear. For example, you can start with a friendly hello and you can mention the date and time, then include a short list of things you plan to discuss. You can even guide them to bring something specific or a reader's resource in advance. So you can add something like please be ready to discuss and your point A, point B, point C. So you are going to discuss these points in your meeting. Then you can include some resource as well. You might also find this article. You can hyperlink this text with your article. Helpful before we connect. So boom, your email content is ready. You can insert the article links here, and this is the host signature, your signature, which is going in this email. And to make your reminder even more personal, you can use some personalization token. You can use some personalization tokens from here. For example, you can insert contact first name if you want. You can insert last name, contact's last name. You can insert host first name and last name. Just keep in mind that HubSpot limits the type and number of tokens in these emails, but even something like reminder for your upcoming meeting with, and let me include some personalization tokens: first name, host first name, and host last name. So this will go something like reminder for your upcoming meeting with Shivam Yadav. That makes the message feel more human and less robotic. Finally, you can choose when the this reminder goes out, maybe an hour before or a week before, a day before. From my experience, sending it a day before works best, so it gives your client time to prepare without being too last minute. So I'll keep only one day before. Let me delete the second reminder, so I'm keeping only one reminder. And that's it, a simple way to customize your HubSpot meeting reminders and make your meetings smoother and more productive. If this video helped, feel free to drop a comment below, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy digital marketing and HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.